Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and in this video I just want to explain some of the basic movements of the shoulder so that you and your physical therapist are speaking the same language. So when your physical therapist says external rotation, what we're talking about is the upper arm bone is the humerus. If I externally rotate, the humerus is rotating, if you imagine a clock, in a clockwise position. So it's rotating away from my body. It's going clockwise on the right. It's going counterclockwise on the left. But this is external rotation. Internal rotation is when I'm bringing the hand in toward my midline. The humerus is rotating in toward my body. So we've got external rotation going away, internal rotation coming in. If we're talking about flexion, flexion is reaching up in front of the body. Abduction, abduction, is reaching up while moving the hand away from the body. And then extension is reaching back, whether it be with the elbow bent or the elbow extended. Now, most movements, most normal human movements combine motion. So if I'm reaching away and behind me, I'm combining external rotation, shoulder extension, and a little bit of flexion. If I'm reaching in this way behind my back, maybe to tuck the shirt into the back of my pants, I'm combining extension, internal rotation, a deduction, which is bringing the arm across. The whole point of this is so that if your therapist says we need to do this exercise to improve external rotation, you immediately understand, okay, they're talking about this, they're talking about rotating the humerus, but external rotation could be done here. It could be done here where I'm pulling the hand back like I'm getting ready to throw a ball. And then of course, internal rotation is bringing the hand forward or in toward the midline. So guys, I hope that helps to clarify some of the terminology you might be hearing in the clinic. In the next video, we'll talk about some of the specific exercises and different ways to work those different movement patterns. Thanks for watching.